Hello everybody, how you are doing? Today I am making plantain chips. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the process. Okay, so basically I've got my plantain. These are my plantain. I'm gonna be washing them, chop them up. Then I will show you the process how I get my plantain chips done. So watch out guys, and thank you for watching. Today is plantain chips. Hooray! Woohoo! I'm winning, I'm winning, I'm winning, I'm winning, I'm winning. Okay guys, so watch out for this crispy, crunchy, brown plantain chips. Okay guys, thank you. So this is the plantain. This is the plantain. Got to be washed. You need to wash it thoroughly, guys. Okay. Anything you buy these days, fruits, whatever you are cooking, you buy from the public, need to be washed. So I'm washing it now. Washing my plantain. Get them dry up before I start chopping them up. Okay. So this is the plantain now. So I'm gonna be chopping it up like this. Be careful when you are cutting, when you are peeling the skin off, okay? Be very, very careful so you don't chop off your hand with the knife. So I want to start chopping it now. It's a snack. This KPEKERE or plantain chips is very handy where you just give it to the children and anybody can snack on it at home while you are watching TV. Put it in your handbag while you go to work. You cut it very thin. See what I'm cutting? See what I'm cutting? Cut it very thin. Okay guys, very, very thin. So they're all done now. All you just need to do is just clean them up. Make sure there is no leftover skin on the plantain. This process I want to do now is called plantain chips, or KPEKERE, we call it in Africa, KPEKERE. You can use ripe plantain or you can use unripe one, which I'm using the unripe one. So this is all skin now. Skin that these are the skin, So I'm gonna start chopping them up now. That is the KPEKERE sliced now. It takes a while to slice, isn't it? So for those who eat salt, you can sprinkle a little bit of salt. You can put it in the oven for some minutes to dry up the water. Then you start frying it in a hot, deep oil. It's optional. I'm just gonna be frying it straight into the oil. Just my chopped plantain. I'm gonna be frying. That is it now. This is so beautiful. Look at it. Look at homemade chips. Homemade plantain chips. Very nice. It's a snack anytime, any day, with anybody, with any drink. I did. I've turned it into this pan. I sprinkle a little bit of corn flour, just a little pinch, and a pinch of flour as well, so that when you fry it, it's gonna come as crispy. They're not gonna stick to each other when you're frying them. Okay, that is the secret. That is the twist in it, in getting a crunchy, crispy plantain chips. Okay guys, let's crack on now, start the frying. So the oil is in the fire now. You don't use olive oil for this. I use sunflower oil or cornflower oil. That's the oil you're gonna be using. Okay guys, so you can put onions to give it a flavor, or garlic or ginger. So you keep an eye on it so it doesn't get burnt. Okay, always keep an eye on it so it doesn't get burnt, guys. Okay, and thank you for everybody that has come out here today to grace this my premiere. Thank you so much for taking out your time, your busy schedule time to come here today. I really appreciate you all, and I owe all of you at a high esteem. And I love you, and I say thank you so much for your love, your support. Thank you so much. If not for you guys, I couldn't have been where I am today as a YouTuber. And I appreciate you all, and I say thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much, guys. And remain blessed. You see, so I put a little bit of corn flour, a little bit, so they don't stick together. So when they come out, you know, they look crunchy and brown and crispy. Okay guys, you keep turning it so it doesn't get burned. Okay guys, this is very easy to fry, very easy to make plantain chips. Like I said before, you can use the ripe plantain, you can use the green plantain. I prefer the green plantain. Sometimes I can use the ripe one, but today I'm using unripe one, which is the KPEKERE. So when you are eating it, it look very crunchy and crispy. The plantain chips. You see the plantain chips? Very crunchy. Look, plantain chips. Still on the fire, still cooking. This one is already done now. I'm gonna switch off the cooker. So it goes in here. Because if I put it in there, it goes in here so that the kitchen towel can soak the oil out. This is good to have with some juice or water or any of your drink choice. You know, like Christmas period, you can do a lot of this for the kids, for visitors coming to visit you, you know, if you are permitted. Because at the moment we are lockdown, we don't know how Christmas this year gonna look like. So this is the one I just brought out of the oil. You see the paper that soaked the oil. Look at it here. Look how beautiful brown crunchy crisp it is. Look, guys, my chips is ready. Look at my chips. Look at the chips. I'm having it with a glass of cold orange juice. Cheers, guys, and thank you all of you for coming. Thank you for, you know, for your busy schedule time. You still come to grace this my day today. I really appreciate you all. This is beautiful. You can sit there in front of your television and just be, you know, pressing your remote control or your buzzer or your zapper. They call it zapper. The old people here call it zapper. I met an old man where it was somebody I know. He's late now, and I went to visit him, and he keeps saying, "Give me zapper, give me zapper." I'm like, "What is zapper? What is zapper?" I keep saying this. Finally, I got it, and it was just a remote. I said, "Why can't you say remote? What is zapper?" So, guys, look at it. Very nice snack. I didn't put salt. You can put salt if you want. But today I didn't put salt in this one, because I'm not a salty person. I'm not a sugar person. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, guys, for the response. Thank you so much. And keep vlogging and keep safe. And bye. And thank you. See you soon again. Take care. Now the plantain chips has cooled down after frying. Yeah. So now I pack it in this freezer bag. So, you know, not to allow air to go inside. It has been sealed. You see, it's inside the freezer bag. It's sealed now. And I put the date so we know how long we can eat it. It doesn't expire anyway, but it was produced today, and I put the name there, plantain chips. So everybody at home can know it's plantain chips, you know. It's only my better half. So he doesn't think, oh, what is this? Because he likes plantain. He likes fried plantain. So this is it now to preserve. So if you make a lot of plantain chips like this, especially when the children will be on holiday soon for the Christmas, just pack it up like this, you know, and keep it in the cupboard. So each time anybody wants to go and eat, they can just go and grab some few bits and just munch on it.